Do you own a firearm? Do you hold the correct license for it? Hi, I'm Simon Dippenaar and I'm an attorney. Illegal firearm and ammunition possession is a significant concern in South Africa. What are the laws governing firearms and what are the consequences of illegal possession? How can you make sure your firearm is legal? The Firearms Control Act is the primary legislation governing the possession, use and control of firearms in South Africa. This act regulates the ownership of firearms and establishes a comprehensive system of firearms control. According to the Act, it is a criminal offence to have in your possession a firearm unless you hold a correct license, permit or authorization. Not to surrender your firearm, permits, licenses, certificates and ammunition within 24 hours of being declared unfit to possess a firearm by the registrar. To be in possession of a firearm whose serial number or mark has been erased or tampered with or has become illegible and fail to notify the registrar of this. It's also an offence to fail to report to a police official the existence of a firearm or ammunition in the possession of someone else unlawfully. To possess a muzzle-loaded firearm without the relevant competency certificate, to fail to comply with the police officer's requests and questions if they have reasonable grounds to believe that a person has or recently had a firearm or ammunition in their possession. There are some firearms you may not possess at all. These include fully automatic firearms, any gun, cannon, mortar or launcher to fire a rocket, grenade or bomb, any frame, body or barrel of a fully automatic firearm or launcher, any projectile that will be discharged from a launcher, or any other firearm gazetted by the Minister of Police. Your firearm may be legal, but if you alter it, you may render it illegal. Possession of a firearm is a criminal offence if you alter the mechanism to enable multiple shots from a single trigger, you alter the caliber without the written permission of the National Commissioner of Police, you alter the barrel length without written permission, you change or remove the serial number or any other identifying mark without written permission. It is not only the possession of firearms that is closely regulated. Ammunition also falls under the Firearms Control Act. You may not possess any ammunition unless you hold a license for a firearm capable of discharging that ammunition, hold a permit to possess ammunition, holds a dealer's license, manufacturer's license, gunsmith's license, import, export or in-transit permit of transporter's permit issued in terms of the Act or are otherwise authorized to do so. It is also an offence to possess more than 200 cartridges for each licensed firearm, unless the license is for an accredited shooting range or a licensed hunter. If you commit an offence against the Firearms Control Act, you may face criminal charges and the penalties may include significant fines, imprisonment ranging from a few years or several decades, and a criminal record which could impact your future employment opportunities. The possession of illegal firearms has far-reaching effects on society. It contributes to crime rates, perpetuates a culture of violence, and undermines public safety. Addressing this issue will take stricter enforcement of existing laws, community education, and a commitment to reducing the demand for illegal firearms. If you have a firearm in your possession, make sure you hold the correct license for it. If you're unsure about anything to do with your firearm, legal advice is essential. Get in touch with me on the number below, and I'll go over your situation with you.